In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to autoplay a presentation in Canva, step by step. This is perfect if you're creating slides for meetings, digital signage, online courses, or looping presentations where you don't want to manually click through each slide. Autoplay saves time and makes your presentation look clean and professional. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Canva tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Log into your Canva account using your email, Google, or any other sign-in method you normally use. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Canva home screen. This is where all your designs, templates, and recent projects are displayed. Next, find the presentation you want to autoplay. You can scroll through your recent designs, search for the presentation by name, or browse your folders if you've organized your projects. When you see the presentation you want, click on it to open it in the Canva editor. Once your presentation is open, take a moment to make sure everything looks the way you want. Check your slide order, text, animations, and any transitions you've added. Autoplay will follow the timing and animations you've already set, so it's important that your slides are ready before presenting. Now move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. This opens Canva's sharing and presentation options. From here, you'll see several different ways to present or share your design. In the Share menu, look for the option labeled Present and click on it. This will open the presentation settings. Canva offers multiple presentation modes, but for autoplay, we're going to focus on the autoplay controls. Once the presentation view opens, look for the Autoplay button. This is usually displayed as a toggle or button within the presentation controls. Click on the Autoplay button to enable it. When Autoplay is turned on, Canva will automatically move from one slide to the next without you needing to click or press any keys. After enabling Autoplay, click on Present. Your presentation will now start playing automatically. Each slide will advance based on the default timing or any custom timings and animations you've set. This is ideal for unattended presentations, screens in waiting rooms, or looping content during events. If you want to adjust how long each slide stays on screen, you can go back into the editor, click on a slide, and modify the animation or timing settings. Canva allows you to fine-tune these details so your autoplay presentation flows exactly the way you want. And that's it. You've successfully set your Canva presentation to autoplay. Simple, fast, and very effective. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more Canva and software tutorials, and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.